We are back at the bus today. It's another beautiful day, finally in South Dakota, and we are getting excited because the sheet metal's going up, everything's going good, besides the fact that I got a hole drilled in my hand the last time that we were here. It was a total accident. Tommy accidentally drilled a hole in my hand. Thanks, Tommy. I know, it's fine. I'm okay. Oh yeah, and also, I got out of my van and I look over and my safety glasses are on top of my van. I just thought it was pretty funny because I haven't been over here in days. I've been driving it all over the place and they stayed on there. All right, guys, let's get going today. Hello, sweetie.
Tell them what we're doing today.
Oh,
What are we doing
hi
today?
there.
Okay, start over. What are we doing today? No, too much. What are we doing today?
We're gonna pull the tarp off today. We're gonna finish cutting the rest of the sheet metal off of the transition, off the roof of the bus. Yeah, let's get going.
I have a portfolio show for school tomorrow. It's a huge deal and I'm supposed to be working on it right now, but we're too excited about the bus, so that's what we're doing today. It's beautiful. It's finally spring in South Dakota. But anyways, I'm gonna be here only for a few hours helping out, but then I have to go work on school as usual, so. All right, let's get the tarp off.
All right, let's do it. That wheel.
Yeah.
So I think Gabby is going to get this obscene lettering off of the side of our vehicle today. We thought Tommy liked us. Turns out he hates us. Should we find that wheel?
Yes, we should. Don't see it anywhere.
Oh, it's probably on the bus.
You think so?
Yeah, probably. Oh, yes. Really excited, really excited. Look at this, guys. Seriously. Look at that sheet metal. Yee!
Whoop whoop. On the wheel.
Good.
Now what do I use it with?
A drill.
You want to put this wheel on this thing for me?
Look at how nasty the drill got from drilling through sheet metal and caulk.
And flesh.
In flesh.
Is that the one?
No. So essentially, when we were installing the sheet metal, Tommy was on this side. I thought he was here. He was actually here, which is also where my hand was. Yeah. So, I don't know why I'm setting down the drill. Anyways. It's the best I can do. Here you go. Alright guys, the day is finally here. We get to finally finish cutting off the rest of the transition that we left there to kind of shelter the inside of the bus from weather during the winter. My friend Anthony is going to come over this week and he is actually going to help us weld the supports for the transition on the roof here. So we need to get this extra piece off of here that's been sitting here all winter, and we need to get ready for when Anthony's ready. Let's get to work. Who's in the house?
Oh, man.
I waited just for you. what I need to do.
I mean, you're just on that next channel.
Oh, this seems dumb that I should, but I actually do need to do it this way. Which I just keep having to change this fucking stupid camera. Hey, hey! But I can't get a little of that.
Part was hard.
Sorry. Okay. Did you say that was close?
Yeah, it's set right on it. You're doing good. Just stay on that side of the tape. I'll put my hand up if you should stop.
Okay, sounds good. Just trying to think of the best way to do this. I should probably get down and just pull it. I was trying to look at the back.
Oh.
It totally immediately failed. All right, here we go. All right, guys, that's all the time we have left for today. Thank you so much for watching. We didn't get to spend that much time today on the bus, but at least we had enough time to finish cutting the rest of the transition off to prep for welding the square tubing supports that we are going to be putting in between the transition here on the roof. So thank you very much to Gabby, thank you very much to Tommy for helping as usual, and thank you guys. If you haven't subscribed to our channel and you want to follow along on our bus conversion and all the places that we will be traveling once we are finished with our bus conversion, hit the subscribe button, we do appreciate it. Hit the bell notifiers so you get notified of our videos when they come out. Like our videos, share them around if you want to. It does nothing but help us. We do very much appreciate it, and we appreciate you. Thank you guys. Have a good night. Yay!